Alrighty, mashallah, I made this delicious Amish peanut butter pudding pie. So essentially, I made the crust by hand, then you make vanilla pudding. But before you pour the pudding into the pie crust, you sprinkle in some peanut butter with powdered sugar. So you take the powdered sugar, mix it with the peanut butter to where it's crumbly, and sprinkle that on the crust. Pour the pudding on top and then top it with some whipped cream. You can also sprinkle more of those peanut butter crusts on top, but I decided not to. So we'll cut into this and hopefully you'll see the layers. Okay, mashallah, I hope you can see the crust and the pudding and the whipped cream really came out well, I have to say. I'll put the recipe in the description box on Instagram and the Bertaria Times app. Mashallah. You can't really see the layers because it's kind of on the bottom, but I just wanted to show you a little close-up. And man, homemade pudding is the best, mashallah.